Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is something a little different, a bit different. I'm going to review a couple of products kindly sent to me from Rolling Dog Tools, so let's get into it. So I wanted to touch up my garden shed, and instead of using the normal block brush, sort of 4-inch paste brush type, I wanted to see if there was any other things. So I got in touch with Holly from Rolling Dog Tools, and she sent me a couple of products that hopefully will go some way to do the job. So the first one is this Super Edge mini roller cover set, 50mm, so it's just very small but ideal for tight small places and very ideal for smooth application, particularly of gloss paint, but it will work with any paint. And then the other one is a 3-piece soft paintbrush set, a 20mm, 40mm and a 50mm. Let's get into the box. So you get 4 50mm high density foam rollers, and the actual frame itself is 6mm diameter. And notice it's got this unique concave face which prevents paint build-up. If you were running down a door frame or something like that with a conventional roller, sometimes you can get excessive paint build-up on one side. This concave edge will stop that happening. And again, quite a nice ergonomic grip. Notice also that it's got an easy frame fit in there for going onto an extension pole. So with the 3-piece soft filament brush set, you get a 20, a 40 and a 50mm, which is 2 inches, the 50. If we just have a closer look at that, you can see how soft those round tapered filaments are. It has a nice stainless steel ferrule, so again that's going to stop, sometimes with cheaper models you get rusting which actually stains onto the filament, so that'll stop that. And you have this sort of thumb grip here coupled with a beaver tail handle, so for stability when you're kind of wanting to paint something, it just gives you that better ergonomic grip. So what we're going to do is try both products out on the garden shed, and see which one works best for me. Right, so here's the garden shed, and you can see at the bottom where the stain has been washed away, it's weathered. So we're going to do one side with the roller and the other side with the soft brush set. So we'll start with the roller, and I'm just using a common type of stain. This one's Ronseal one coat, but they're widely available, different brands, so I'm not trying to say any brand is better than another, it's just what I'm using. Very easy to apply, feels smooth as it's going on. Obviously I'm not trying to overload it, trying to prevent runoff, but you can see how easily that's going on. Just finish off this bit here. Okay, that's it. Right, we'll do. So that's gone on really well. Now we'll do the other side with the soft brush set. So I'm using the 50mm or 2" brush. Again, application feels smooth, nice soft bristles. You can see how this could be, these soft brushes could be very useful for small areas or fine detail covering. There we are. As I'm using a water-based product, cleaning's easy, straight in the sink. You can use an outside tap and a bucket, and you can see there's no problem at all cleaning the product. Okay, that's it. Both products are now cleaned. I'll just put them out in the sun to dry until the next use. Okay, so which one, in terms of ease of use and finish, if you will, I think, so this side was the soft filament brush, and I think that's got a better finish to it than this side, which was the 2" mini roller. So I'm going to do the rest of the shed. I actually think, although both products are great, I would probably use the soft filament brush. I hope you found the reviews useful. If you want to know more about the products and the full specification, just check out the links down below in the description, and also at the end of this video I'll put a link up to a previous review of rolling dog tools I've done before. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.